Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can set your custom data on Shopify website. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Shopify website and we have to open our store. And after opening that, simply we need to go to the settings icon. So we have to click on the settings. And after clicking on the settings, we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you will get the custom data option here. So we have to click on the custom data. So as you can see here, you will get all the settings here, like your product setting, variants, collection, customers. These all things will be shown here. You can change them, like the location, pages, blogs, each and everything is provided here. If you want to make changes in them, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on the products, and here you will get other options, like if you want to add a definition, you can also do that. So I'm going to bake again. So these all things are provided here. If you want to adjust them, you can also do that. Define your first meta object. If you define your first meta object, if you want to adjust this, you can also do that. So in this way, you can manage your custom data on Shopify store. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.